Hey everyone, welcome back to Boats Yacht, the channel where we dive into the world of boats, yachts and everything that floats. Today we're taking a close look at a charming and practical vessel that's been cruising the River Thames for years, the London Belle. The London Belle is not just another river cruise boat, it's a true symbol of London's floating hospitality and has carved out a niche for itself in the city's busy waterway traffic. From hosting private events to offering scenic tours, this vessel has seen it all, and today we'll break it down from bow to stern, covering key features, design, interior, performance and what really sets it apart from the competition. Let's start with the overall design and key features of the London Belle. At first glance, the boat strikes a balance between function and modest elegance. It's a twin-deck vessel primarily used for river cruises along the Thames in London. Its streamlined low-profile shape is ideal for passing under the city's many historic bridges while maintaining a stable and comfortable ride for passengers. On the exterior, the boat features a clean two-tone color scheme, usually a white superstructure with a navy blue hull that gives it a professional and easily recognizable look. The name London Belle is proudly displayed in clear bold lettering along the side and front of the boat, a familiar sight to many locals and tourists alike. One of the standout design features of the London Belle is its dual-deck configuration. The lower deck is fully enclosed, making it ideal for use in all weather conditions, while the upper deck can vary between enclosed and open-air configurations depending on the event or season. We'll talk more about that in the interior section, but for now it's worth noting that this layout offers both flexibility and functionality. The London Belle is equipped with standard marine safety gear, including life rings, handrails, fire extinguishers and non-slip decking across exposed areas. The overall dimensions of the boat are well suited for urban river navigation, allowing it to dock easily at various piers along the Thames like Westminster Tower, Millennium and Greenwich. Now let's step inside and take a look at the interior of the London Belle, and this is where the boat really shows off its hospitality capabilities. The main lower deck is spacious and designed to host a range of events from corporate functions and weddings to birthday parties and sightseeing tours. It's a blank canvas that can be customized with tables, chairs, buffet setups or even dance floors. Large panoramic windows run along both sides of the interior, offering uninterrupted views of the river and cityscape while letting in plenty of natural light. Even when the weather is cloudy, these windows ensure that guests never miss a view. The space is usually equipped with soft overhead lighting to maintain visibility in the evenings without overpowering the atmosphere. Seating is flexible, and depending on the event it can range from banquet-style tables to rows of chairs or casual lounge setups. This flexibility makes the London Belle a favorite for event planners and tour operators who want to tailor each experience to their audience. At the rear of the main deck you'll typically find a bar or serving area. This is modest in size but fully functional, with enough space for storing and serving drinks, snacks or catered meals depending on the event. A small restroom is also located on board for guest convenience. Moving upstairs, the upper deck is where the magic really happens when the weather's nice. An open-air setup provides 360-degree views of the river skyline and iconic London landmarks like Tower Bridge, the Shard, the London Eye and Big Ben depending on the route. Some configurations of the London Belle have a partially enclosed upper deck which protects passengers from the elements while still offering expansive views through clear windows. This area is also a favorite for photography and relaxed sightseeing. It often features bench seating along the sides and sometimes standing room depending on the crowd. Toward the front of the upper deck is the Wheelhouse or control cabin. This is the command center for the vessel, and while it's not usually open to the public during cruises, it's a fascinating area for those interested in marine navigation. The captain steers from this vantage point using a traditional wheel and modern instruments like GPS, radar and communication systems to ensure safe travel through sometimes busy river conditions. Speaking of performance, the London Belle isn't designed for speed, it's designed for comfort, stability and safe navigation through city waterways. Its twin-engine setup provides enough power to cruise smoothly against the Thames current while maintaining excellent maneuverability for docking and turning in tight quarters. The boat's low draft allows it to pass under London's many bridges with ease while still offering an impressively steady ride even when the river is a bit choppy. Noise and vibration are minimal inside the vessel, which is ideal for events that require conversation, background music or announcements. Fuel efficiency and emissions compliance are also key considerations, especially with modern environmental regulations on the Thames. Many operators have updated or retrofitted their fleets to comply with clean air standards, and the London Belle is no exception. Depending on the operator and configuration, it may include eco-friendly engine systems or emissions reduction technologies, making it a responsible choice for both private and commercial use. From a technical standpoint, the vessel includes navigation, lighting, horn systems, marine radio and all necessary safety signaling devices required for operating on public waterways. The crew usually includes a captain, deckhands and, depending on the size of the event, catering or hospitality staff as needed. Now let's talk about the unique selling points of the London Belle and why it continues to be a favorite for so many people. First and foremost, it's the versatility. This boat is used for everything from daytime sightseeing tours to evening party cruises and even corporate or formal events. The flexible layout and neutral interior allow it to be styled for a wide range of occasions. Another big draw is its size. The London Belle is big enough to accommodate medium-sized groups while still being small enough to offer an intimate experience. Unlike some larger party boats that can feel overwhelming or impersonal, this vessel provides a cozy, comfortable vibe that guests appreciate. Accessibility is another strength. With flat deck boarding and space to move around, the boat can often accommodate guests with limited mobility, including those using wheelchairs or walking aids. While not every riverboat in London can say the same, the London Belle is designed to be inclusive wherever possible. Then there's the scenic value. Cruising along the Thames offers unbeatable views of historic and modern London. The London Belle maximizes this with its wraparound windows and open deck space, making it one of the better platforms for sightseeing on the water, especially for photographers and visitors looking to capture the essence of the city. For private hire, the London Belle is competitively priced compared to more extravagant vessels, but still delivers on quality, comfort and service. This makes it ideal for people planning private functions who want something unique without going over budget, and when it's booked for public cruises, it offers excellent value for the price, with commentary, optional refreshments and stunning views included. Lastly, the reputation of the boat and its operators plays a huge role in its ongoing popularity. The London Belle has been cruising the Thames for years and has built up a solid track record of safe, reliable and enjoyable experiences. Whether you're a first-time tourist or a seasoned local looking for a new perspective on the city, you'll likely come across this boat, and for good reason. To wrap it all up, the London Belle may not be the flashiest or most high-tech vessel on the water, but it absolutely holds its own through practical design, strong performance, reliable features and unmatched flexibility. It's a boat that does exactly what it promises to do: deliver a smooth, scenic and memorable experience on one of the world's most iconic rivers. That's it for today's review here on Boats Yacht. If you've ever cruised on the London Belle, let us know in the comments what your experience was like, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into boats, yachts and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the water.